Good morning, my dear students of grade 9. We have been discussing tenses, and today we have learned about present tense and we are learning about the past tense, right? In past tense, we have completed simple past and past perfect tense, and today we are going to learn about past continuous and past perfect continuous tenses. Past continuous. When do we use this tense? Past going on actions. We use this tense for the past going on actions. So let us learn the sentence structures, what be forms to be added and what verb to be added and to form the sentence. I was playing caroms. You were playing caroms. We were playing caroms. They were playing caroms. He was playing caroms. She was playing caroms. Raju was playing caroms. So if you observe the structure, two different be forms are used here. One be form is used with the singular pronouns and the nouns like he, she, Raju and I. With them we used was, and you, we, they, we used were. So were plural be form of past tense and was singular be form of past tense. Along with that we used ing form of the verb in this past continuous tense. Okay. Now let us learn the use of past continuous tenses like for an action going on at some time in the past, continuation of an action in the past. In the past, if some action is going on, if some action is continued up to some time, then we use this tense. I was sleeping in the morning. I was sleeping in the morning. And the other use of past continuous is for a persistent habit in the past. Persistent means continuation of some habit in the past, like he was always boasting about his greatness. In the past, now he is not doing that, but in the past he was always boasting about his greatness. And another use also, when two parallel actions are going on in the past in the same time, like your mother will be cooking and you will be playing. So we use while and we combine these two sentences like while my mother was cooking, I was playing. Okay. Now past perfect continuous and its structures. When do we use this past perfect continuous? When some action it started in the past and continued up till another action started. So before knowing about this tense, let us go through the sentence structures. I had been playing caroms, you had been playing caroms, we had been playing caroms, they had been playing caroms, he had been playing caroms, she had been playing caroms, Raju had been playing caroms. This is the sentence structure, and now let's go to the uses of past perfect continuous tense. For an action which began and had been on progress before another action started. So when do we use this tense? An action started in the past, continued up till another action started. Okay, the previous action is going on in the past till another action started. We use this past perfect continuous tense. So let us go to the examples. When our father came, we had been sleeping for a long time. So they had been sleeping, that is the continued tense in the past, till when their father came. When their father came, they had been sleeping for a long time. And now, combination of these two tenses, if past continuous tense is given, when we combine two sentences, if one tense is in past continuous tense, what about the other one? Which verb to be used? So we use simple past tense. Okay, if simple past tense is given and when or while given, then you must use past continuous tense with that. Past continuous verb to be used there. So let us see one example. My uncle came when I was reading the novel. So, when his uncle came, when he was reading the novel, that is the continued action in the past. Till his uncle came, he was reading the novel. Okay, and one more, simple past tense versus past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous tense is given. One part of the sentence is past perfect continuous. So the other part of the sentence, it should be in simple past tense. So when I returned home, my sister had been reading the novel for 3 hours. So when I returned home, what happened? My sister had been reading the novel for 3 hours. So these are the uses of this past perfect continuous, and with what we have to use these tenses. Now let us go to the keywords of these tenses. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. What are the keywords to be used? So seeing the keywords and the context of the sentence, you need to use which verb tends to be used, which verb to be used there. Seeing these keywords also you can identify them. Okay, so I have also included homework in this, and before getting into that, let us go to recap. What is simple past? Simple past, we talk about the actions which are completed in the past. Past continuous, going on actions in the past continuous. Past perfect, when two actions take place, one should be written in past perfect, that is the earlier action to be written in past perfect tense, and the after action to be written in simple past. And past perfect continuous, an action started in the past, continued up till a point of time before, till another action started in the past, continued up till another action started. This is all about past perfect, that is, this is all about past tense. Now complete the grammar exercises given in your English, Living English. So the pages are 199 and 201. 199 past continuous and 201 past perfect continuous. The exercises related to that. So thank you for now, students. Have a great day. Meet you in the next class.